I won't.
I'm gonna go so fast and try my hardest.
All right, Ryder, let's see what you got. Remember to turn right to go to Covenant. Yo, what? Yo. Oh my God. Go to the right, yeah. Here, come with me.
Oh wait, stop.
I know. You want a video on that or nah?
I don't care.
Here, I'll get you a video of you on this.
Okay.
Yeah, Riley? Yeah, Sophie?
How fat was it?
That was crazy. Clip on.
I don't care. I'll video you if you want.
Yeah. Ah, no.
Oh, he's trying to get some speed. Yeah, he's like going arrow down the thing.
That's Ryder. Ryder scrubs it though.
Oh, he's trying to get some speed. Yeah, he's like going arrow down the thing.
That's Ryder. Ryder scrubs it though.
Oh my God.
He doesn't jump it, he just goes boom.
I don't know, somebody's rubbing. I can like hear it and like.
Give me a minute.
Alright.
Wait, yeah.
Whoa, Sophie. Your bike is little.
That doesn't sound normal, does it?
Yeah, that's
You know what I think you should get?
A
new
yeah,
bike.
that's how it's supposed
I'll put it on the bike stand at the campsite and we'll take a look at it.
Okay. I mean, I just took it into the shop like before the enduro race.
Yeah, well, the enduro race was rough.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Yeah.
You think we're good?
Yeah, my rim is toast.
Alright, guys.
For my dad, no. He
Oh.
takes it off.
Ryder! Yeah, well. Oh yeah.
Here, I got like the perfect one.
Ryder! Oh! I decided to do a 1 foot at the last second.
Yeah.